What is this called, Zari?
A bicycle.
We're gonna open it.
With some scissors.
Yes.
You like some scissors?
This is the amazing Kriddos tricycle bike. It is designed for ages 2 to 5 years old. This is a great gift to give your toddler, and let me tell you why. This is my toddler's first time learning how to ride a tricycle, and I feel like he did a very good job for his first time. I feel like the triangular design to it plays a major part in helping him learn how to ride his bicycle. I love how this bicycle has extended rear wheels to prevent the bike from tipping or rolling over to ensure my toddler is safe while riding the bike. Thank you so much, Kriddos, for sending this bike over. I know my toddler will take some time to learn how to ride. And thanks to how the bicycle is designed, I know it will be very soon that he will be an expert. But he did very good for his first time trying. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the link in my description if you would like to get your toddler one today. Push. You gotta turn the wheel. You gotta learn how to control the handle too. So you gotta turn the handle like it's a wheel. Yeah. You did it. You gotta learn how to do it with your feet. With the pedal. What's that? You wanna try it again? All right, go ahead and do the pedal. Put your foot on the pedal. You got it, you got it. You could do it. And put your other foot on the pedal. You got it, you got it. You got it, now push. See? You gotta make sure you turn in the wheel. Push one side. Look, push this foot. Push it. You gotta push it forward. There you go, see? You gotta say, I could do it. You gotta learn how to turn the wheel so you don't keep going in the grass. No, so you can keep going.